Hello friends. Today I'd like to share with you a beautiful quote I saw this morning on why healing is so important. It's from a book by Jeff Brown, and the title of the book is Articulations. And as we have a workshop on healing coming up very soon, the details of which you can see in the description box below, I thought it was very pertinent to understand why it's so important to do this healing work. And this answers the question beautifully. He says, healing is the breakfast of champions. It's the greatest act of self-love to tend to your wounds and injuries. Your loving intention is an ointment that goes straight to the heart of the trauma and sets your healing in motion. And it does something else. It sends the message to your wounded inner child that he or she has value, that he or she is worthy of attention. An echo of essence reverberates in the deep within, reminding you that you matter. When you repress your wounds, you validate your own insignificance. When you excavate and honor them, you empower your self-worth. You show yourself that you are worthy of love. You stand a little taller. Healing is the breakfast of champions. It nourishes your body and soul, boosts your self-concept, and strengthens your resolve. So I hope to see you in the workshop. Please check out the details in the description box below and buy the ticket well in advance so you can save your spot. Looking forward to seeing you.